Want to see something cool? Hit me. Okay. Hello. Stop. We did it. We made the top 20 of the NYX Face Awards. I am so thankful to all of you that voted. Seriously, I'm not even just saying it because that's how the rules work. I wouldn't be here opening these boxes without you guys. I am so excited to find out what the challenge is. Oh. As if that already wasn't unbelievable enough, they sent even more makeup. A huge thank you to NYX Professional Makeup and obviously all the sponsors that I'm going to mention. If you watched my last unboxing video, you will know I don't take any of this for granted. Seriously, I've never had this much makeup in my entire life. Right after the last unboxing video, I actually had to go out and buy storage and containers for makeup. So I never want this to seem like I'm bragging or flexing any of this. If you guys are as nosy as me, you like to watch unboxing videos. So yeah, I guess we should just get into this, huh? Nope. Ooh. Some nice studio lighting we got here. Maybe I should just carry a cardboard box with me everywhere I go. Nope. Why do I always think that I have the strength for that last bit of tape and I don't? We hope you enjoy these goodies brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup and our amazing sponsors, Target, Redken, Vichy, I know how to say that now, Clarisonic, My Kitsch, and Audio Network. Ooh. Oh hell yeah! It's a tote bag, and it says Audio Network on it. And this says rewind, playback. This is really, really cool. And I'm not just saying that, I will totally use this. Oh, I love me some swag. So the thing is, Audio Network allows you to use music from their website for your Face Awards submissions. And I cannot tell you how nice it is to use stock music that doesn't sound like stock music and doesn't have like, whoa! Probably not a problem most people have, but it's nice. Clarisonic, congratulations on making the top 20. Thank you, box. Okay, so they gave us some foaming milk cleanser and then some more brushes, which is freaking amazing because I have been using that non-stop. Thank you, Clarisonic. Ah, that's cute. It's actually handwritten. The mailman. Frodo, what are you doing? He's a mailman. Is that mailman? Okay, so this is from Kitsch. Ooh! It's a shower cap. Does fashion. And then they sent an elevated hair towel. I'll figure that out later. Next up from Vichy. Vichy? Someone totally told me how to pronounce it last time, and then... How do you pronounce Vichy?
That's pronounced Vichy.
You're wrong. So they sent some more skincare stuff, which is very exciting. Face Awards are turning me into a skincare aficionado. I don't know who this is from. Little bath bombs, amaze balls. Each bath fizzer has a toy surprise inside. Oh, it's from Target. Okay. Hydrating seaweed bath. Okay. And then an exfoliating sponge. From Redken. Always nice packaging. Shift your look into high gear. If you use these styling products, winning will be a steal. I'm on to you. Super strong sculpting gel. Iron shape. Starting to feel like perhaps the next theme might have to do with metal or something. Can't get past me and the old thinker. So, next up is the makeup portion. First box, Specialty, which last time was SFX Cream Makeup. So. Ooh! So we got some more SFX cream colors, which are all metal colors. And then we got some Vivid Brights cream colors. And then we got some Primal colors, shadows. I'm on to you, NYX. Next up is this box that says face. Whoa! Whoa! A ton of glitter colors. And then some I Love You So Mochi highlighting palettes that are all somewhat metal and shiny. And then Born to Glow highlighters. And then Honey Do Me Up, which has little bits of gold in it. Let's channel my PewDiePie real quick. And then Away We Glow liquid boosters, which also are shiny. And then some Pro foundation mixers. All this glitter looks so fun. The ideas. The ideas. Lips. This is so much makeup. I am not worthy. I wonder how much of this video is just going to be me pretending that I'm super smart for figuring out a very obvious hint. Just let me have this, okay? My Sherlock skills. Okay, so what we've got here is a bunch of lipsticks. Liquid Suede, which are all metallics. And then Strictly Vinyl lip gloss. Cosmic Metals. Oh, these look pretty. Some lip liners, metallic lip creams, some duo chromatic lip gloss. Next up, eyes. And something tells me I'm going to be getting a lot of shimmery metallic shades. This is amazing. A couple palettes, bunch of lashes, some holographic halo cream eyeliner, some jumbo eye pencils, ton of eyeliners, some liquid eyeliners, got some eye gloss, and then a bunch of glitters, glitter primers. And then last but not least, tools. Some more sponges, blending sponges. Ooh, some silver brushes, some more blending sponges, and a little travel size bag for the makeup. So that is it. Okay, alright. So I feel like the second challenge is definitely something metallic themed, and they don't technically announce the second challenge until Monday, June 4th, but I think that I have enough to go on that I can kind of start planning things out in my brain. Again, I cannot even process that I've made it this far. I mean, I've only made it one round, but even that is just so cool. And like I said, I wouldn't have been able to do it without you guys. So your voting and your support means the world to me. This is one of the funnest things that I've done for a very long time. And it means so much to me to be able to make films for you and create characters. That's what I love to do. And I'm excited to experiment with more techniques and maybe some more special effects techniques. So thank you from the bottom of my heart to you guys, and obviously to NYX and all the sponsors. This is just a crazy experience, and I am so thankful that I get to be a part of it alongside so many amazing artists. Seriously, if you guys haven't checked out the other people in the competition, definitely do that, because that's the main thing I love about the NYX Face Awards, is being able to see how other people interpret the challenge and the looks that they do and the stories. So they announced the challenge on June 4th, except we all kind of know what it's going to be. 'Cause we're smart here on this channel. June 15th through 21 is when voting starts to choose who gets to be in top 12. So I will obviously be updating you every step of the way, but yeah, that's just an overview. I am so excited. Well, that is it. I love you guys so very much, whether you're new or old to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! I didn't grab scissors. I believe in miracles. Way from you sexy thing you. You are kind of dark, huh? Ha! Where from you sexy thing you. I swear I'm extra weird in my videos on the days where I watch New Girl before. Who is it? And I'm excited to experiment with Bidoo bap, shooby doo wap.
shooby-doo. If it looks like I'm hatching a dubious plan, it's because I am. All around me are familiar faces. I had to do my own version. The last time I used it, I got copyright strike. So you're welcome. Am I proud of what I've done? You betcha. What's in the box?
But my pillow and